You're on vacation in beautiful Maine, a gorgeous morning. You walk out to the car and you have a flat tire. Well, what are you gonna do? The beauty of it is only the bottom's flat, but we gotta change it. I'm gonna show you how to change it. We're gonna do this real easy. Possibly the biggest pain in the butt is finding the donut. So you get into the donut here, you gotta go 3 layers deep, and there you have it. So we need the jack, lug nut wrench, and you have to unscrew the tire. We're going to set it on the side for now. Now, before we do anything, we want to put the emergency brake on just for safety. I don't want this thing rolling. We're on solid ground, so I feel comfortable where we're at. Emergency brake. Okay, we've got the jack, and I want you to notice there's a slot in the jack. This slot is going to go under here, and there's a slot where it fits. I have it lined up. I have the slot in there, and all I'm going to do is tighten it up, and you will see a little movement just to start. I just want to get it in there, make sure I got a good solid fit on the ground, which I'm comfortable with. Next, we want to loosen the lug nuts. Depending on your model, you might have a hubcap that you need to pop off. If you do, the lug nut wrench will have a screw end. You'll pop it off, and then the lug nuts are just lifting up. I'm just gonna loosen them. Now, as you're loosening the lug nuts, if you have a very tough one, you may have to get a pipe to help you put it on there to get some extension. But I think we're strong enough to get these right now, so we'll give it our best shot. Almost. Another trick, if you're stuck on the side of the road or something, if you have a tough one, you don't have the extension pipe, you can always put the lug nut on opposite and do the old step. Sometimes, if you take a little pressure off the tire, it also loosens up the stress. So now we're ready to lift the thing. All the lug nuts are just loose. All right. Now that we've got the lug nuts loose, we're just going to start, we're going to start to raise the tire. Now you're going to need an extension. Turn. How easy is this? And it just cranks it up so fast and so quick. Now, okay, as you can see, we got some good extension. Tire's almost free, but we're gonna need it off the ground so that when we slide the tire off, we get no restrictions from the ground. Okay, I think we're in good shape. Now we take our lug nuts. Yeah. Hand tight. Okay. As you get the 5 off, put them in a safe place. You don't want to lose them. If you're at a street side, you don't want to lose them down a sewer grate or something. Okay, pulling the tire off sometimes could be tough. You might have to really shake it. You might have to really move it. I've seen them where you had to kick them. Actually get in there, give it a kick if you have to. But basically, tire rolls off nice, and this is what you do. You look for it, you got the hole. Yeah, the guys will want to see that. We'll plug that, and she'll be as good as new. Donut. Got an air pressure gauge. Check the pressure just to check it. Looking at this, sounds good, sounds solid. So, we're just gonna do the reverse. All right, we're just gonna put the lug nuts on for right now. We want to hand tighten these while it's high on the jack. Okay, got these hand tightened. Now, while it's on the jack, I am going to give it a a little bit of one, but I don't want to jam it right now because I don't want to knock it off the jack. But I will give this, I got these tightened up pretty good. Now I'll lower it and then give it a real good tightening. So now we'll just lower the jack because we're all set, ready to go. All right, pull the jack out. Jack's all done, tires on the ground. We just want to tighten these up. We want to give them a good, strong tighten up. Not comfortable again, you can give it the old foot if you're not strong enough. Putting that pressure on, be careful. You don't want to get too crazy. You don't want to bust a lug nut off if you're a real strong guy. Hey, that's it. Tires on there, looks sturdy. I think we're in good shape. We'll take the old tire, get it in, get it plugged. We'll be ready to go. Hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger. Just another backyard project. Now we're back on vacation off to Bar Harbor, Maine. Thanks.